We always say that brows are sisters, not twins, but sometimes they don't even look related. You know, one brow has a hole or a scar, or for some reason, the hair just won't grow. Does it sound like you? Because if so, listen up. It's all about picking the right product, and in your case, it's goof proof. It's our super easy filling and shaping pencil. In fact, it's so easy, I call it the microwave popcorn of brow products. Always there when you need it, and can't mess it up. So let's take a look at the tip. It has a wide base to actually fill and shape the brow. You can build the color as you move through, and then it has a finer point to add definition or length where you need it more. Now, you always want to start by filling your brows. So just hold the pencil so the wide base touches the start of your brow. Then begin making short, hair-like strokes in the direction that your hair grows, all the way to the arch. Now that might mean you actually have to change direction a few times, but don't worry, it's normal. Then, where the brow gets more tapered, turn the pencil to use the narrow side to make short, light strokes all the way to the end of the brow. Now, if your patchy brows still have a few holes, go back in and just use that little narrow tip in places that you need more filling by placing short, light little strokes. Then, you simply flip the pencil over and use that attached spoolie to blend the color to a nice wash all the way across the brow. Now see, I told you it was goof proof. Okay, so it's date night and you want to give those brows a little more drama. Simple. Breakout Ka-Brow, our cream gel brow color. Pop out the brush, and then you just snap it back in the lid, and then there you have it. Control and precision in the palm of your hand. Now, the only secret that you need to know is that Ka-Brow is actually really highly pigmented. So simply just tap the brush into the formula, and you can see, got a lot of color there. Start by creating the base structure. It'll instantly define your brow. At the bottom, create a nice, natural, smooth, fluid line. Now, it doesn't have to be one continuous line. You can break it up by making these short, pressing strokes, and it'll give you the same effect. Now, at this point, you may need more product. If so, dip the brush back in and work from that line you just made and push the cream gel through the entire brow. Now use the wide side of the hard angle brush. It'll do the work for you. If you want to take drama up all the way, use the tip of the hard angle brush to exaggerate that natural arch. Create a smooth, fluid line from the start to the arch, following that natural taper of the top of your brow. You can use short, light strokes or make one continuous line. It's really up to you. Finish by connecting the arch to the end with that same fluid line. If you feel like it looks too bold or you want to dial back the drama, grab a spoolie brush and blend out some of the color. But be sure to do it before Ka-Brow dries because it lasts for 24 hours. But if your date goes really well, you're all set. I mean, think about it. Your walk of shame instantly transformed to a stride of pride. And there you have it, 2 simple ways to make patchy brows a thing of the past.